ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms ho pho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka Three Olives Restaurant Balak play nakbantaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw Shillong balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating balale da ka Meva Enterprise
Kalong ke ka khubor ka bas ngosi bar ka bamla satya ban muddur bahakani ka jela Meghalaya ki Longkmie ki ba armet kin do yala ka jingim Ngut ha ka Shitaïew kat baki Khunlung ki badang shukha kin khlat no nagani ka slapertai Haduh lai Ngut ha ka Shitaïew yakani ka khubor ka bas ngosi la pentip do menteri rangba jong ka jela u Konrad ke sangma haba kren kum u kongsan ha ka jingrakhi jong ka jela Meghalaya ya ka sngi yo jela ka bapura ka balalong ha ka arpuwei tarik ubnai ka lalengkot arajar arpuwei hanong ba Shillong kat kum ka jing yatho jong menteri rangba ka jela ka jing do jong ki Longkmie ki ba armet ya ka jing im bat kum juru ki Khunlung ki badang shukha na ka jing pang baper kala bu ru ya udak jingkli u bahe bha ya ka tanat ka kot ka khia jong ka sarkar jela ha ka ba na ka liang jong menteri rangba ulapan pau ba ya ka ni ka jinglong jingman dai ban wanra da ka jingkla khnang ban yada ya ka jingkhlat no shitengpor jong ki Longkmie ki ba armet bat kum juru ki Khunlung ki badang shukha.
And in the human development aspect, I would like to specially mention about mother and child health. Friends, we all know that the numbers and the situation that our mothers and children face is very, very difficult. And we as a society and as a government need to put our heads and hearts together to be able to change this aspect. I would like to share with you that in Meghalaya, because of different situations and different beliefs, sometimes different conditions, on an average, we lose almost 5 mothers every week. 5 mothers die every week in Meghalaya because of different situations that are there. Every week, more than 30 children dying because of different reasons. And this needs to change. And therefore, as a government, we have started many programs and started to monitor this in a very detailed manner so that we are keeping track of every mother who is pregnant, we're keeping track of every child who is born, and we are ensuring that we continuously monitor this. But this is an exercise, as I said, where government will play its role, but the family and the society also has to be part of the entire exercise if we really want to make a difference. And I strongly feel that in the coming years, this should be one of the most important pillars and the most important objective and vision, and I should say task for our government and for our state, is to be able to ensure that we save the lives of every mother and every child in our state. And another aspect of this is early childhood development. We all know, and science has proved it, that a child's mind and brain and other skills like emotion, creativity, cognitive skills and other social skills, language skills, these develop in the child at a very, very early stage, from 0 to 8, in some cases 0 to 5. Therefore, we need to ensure that programs are made for early childhood development and education. I'm happy to inform you that Meghalaya state is one of the first states in the country to come out with the early childhood education program. We have budgeted and sanctioned and released 10 crores in this financial year itself to start these programs where we make the different ICDS centers as early childhood education centers, where we feel strongly that every child should be given an opportunity to be able to get the maximum benefit of these centers, and we are able to produce and give an opportunity to these children who are between the age of 0 to 5, so that maximum of their skills and their other intelligence aspects come out strongly. So these are two areas in human development which we feel strongly that in the coming year, as well as in the years to come, will be a challenge, but is an area where we need to focus as a state.